Hi, I'm Luke Lango, and this is InvestorPlace Quick Picks, where we communicate to you some of the market's best investment ideas in just 5 minutes. Today, we're going to be talking about a data analytics company, named Alteryx, ticker AYX. Now, Alteryx stock has been killed in 2020 and hasn't rebounded with the market, mostly because the company's growth trends have meaningfully deteriorated as business activity, as business spending has dried up during 2020. But these are near-term fears. Business activity is coming back, business spending is coming back, and guess what? Data is still the future. Data analytics companies are still becoming more and more important to the enterprise stack. So buy Alteryx stock. It's a long-term winner going through a near-term rough patch. The rough patch is gonna pass, and the stock, it's gonna rip back to all-time highs. So buy it before it does just that. In the business world, data is king. Just think about all the things you can do with data. Data can be used to create new and better products. It can be used to create new and better marketing campaigns. It can be used to drive supply chain efficiencies, to optimize employee productivity, to cut costs. You can literally do anything and everything with data. So it should be no surprise that companies that use data are 58% more likely to hit their revenue targets than companies that don't use data. Yet, 69% of companies don't use data. And because the 31% of them that do are completely outperforming the 69%, these guys have one option: adopt data or fail. So over the next decade, you're going to see every company and every organization of every shape, size, and from every industry and every backdrop pivot to become a data-driven organization. This is the emergence of the intelligence economy. And in that intelligence economy, Alteryx is a winner. Now, the one caveat about data is that by itself, it's useless. By itself, it's just large spreadsheets, large CSV files with a bunch of numbers, rows and columns. That doesn't mean anything to a business. A business needs to be able to apply data science to that, to apply some coding to that, to glean valuable and actionable insights from this messy glob of data. Alteryx provides the tools which allow businesses to do that. Because you have to understand, most businesses don't have coders, they don't have programmers, they don't have data scientists, so they need to outsource. So they need a third-party platform to help them do that, to help them become a data-driven organization. Alteryx is the platform of choice for so many companies because it's a no-code environment that's super easy to use, yet simultaneously very powerful at delivering actionable insights. So over the next few years, as more and more organizations become data-driven organizations, more and more companies are going to use Alteryx's platform. Revenue growth is going to boom, 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 go up, 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 up. At the same time, Alteryx is a software business model that's highly scalable with 90% gross margins. So as revenues go higher, it's going to drive positive operating leverage. Margins are going to expand. That's a recipe for huge profit growth. As go profits, so go stocks. I mean, Alteryx stock, it's a long-term winner. So why is the stock down right now? Alteryx stock is depressed because of COVID-19. It's really that simple. The pandemic came through, things became tight, enterprises leaned up their budgets, they cut back on discretionary spending, and for many companies, data science platforms like Alteryx were discretionary, and so Alteryx's growth rates have moderated significantly during the pandemic. But times are a lot better now. The economy is slowly getting back to normal. Enterprise spending is picking up. Enterprises' budgets, which got leaned down, are now starting to come back. Discretionary spending is rebounding. And that's going to show up in Alteryx's second half numbers. So Q3 and Q4 growth rates are going to be way above Q1 and Q2 growth rates. They're going to blow estimates out of the water. When they do, this irrational fear that's keeping Alteryx stock depressed today is going to disappear. As soon as that disappears, this stock is going to roar back to $200. Well, that's all we have for this edition of InvestorPlace Quick Picks. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, or if you like to read, come over and visit us at InvestorPlace.com, where we have some of the market's best analysis. Until next time, cheers, happy investing to all.